This is one of the rental property that was rented out through an estate agent. As you can see, the condition of the property was really good, and it was a beautiful bungalow in a nice, really good, well residential area. Lots of demand around that area. As you can see, the bungalow has been destroyed. The doors were sealed off. As you can see, the electricity was bypassed, so they were using it illegally. All the doorways were sealed off. All the windows were sealed off and closed off. They wanted to control the indoor temperature. This is so that they can grow drugs. There you can see air filter they've used, also ducting, and the amount of work that's gone into this to set this house into a drug factory must have they must have spent so much money. Plus, they knew what they were doing. These are not small time players. These are big times criminal thugs who probably are professional in what they do. As you can see, the corridor has been again. There's more polythene. This is a second bedroom. As you can see, the window in front of you is completely sealed off and blocked off. And on the ceiling, you can see lots of electrical equipment, lots of motoring, lots of filters. There's various things they used. So they clearly knew what they were doing. There you can see those black things. That's like some sort of electrical motor. And there, that silver tub is a filter, I think. This is to control the air temperature and circulation. Again, that's another bedroom. And even the bathroom was totally destroyed. This is another room there. You can see lots of stuff they used. You will see in a minute the amount of work on the ceiling, what they've done. They were hanging air filter, circulator, other various things which only those people will know. So these are really proper, people who go around. This property was initially rented to a couple with a child through an estate agent. Subsequently, those couple rented it to someone who are linked to those kind of people who know and target like nice quiet residential areas like properties. This is the kitchen, state of the kitchen. As you can see, the condition when it was let out, it was really nice, beautifully decorated, refurbished. So when it comes to renting your property, you need to be very careful. Although on this occasion, everything was done. This is the living room. That's the bedroom you saw earlier. This is how it was. This is the kitchen, how it was when it was rented out. That's another bedroom. So on this occasion, everything was done accordingly, thoroughly. For example, the property was rented through an estate agent, and the estate agent has checked, done all the professional checks, like their employment status and their tenancy reference, tenant referencing, and they've taken the deposit. And then on a monthly basis, the property was visited. However, we did not get access inside the property. Every time we went, we were told it's not convenient. Could you come back? Or it's not possible now. When you do rent, if you're in this kind of business, you need to make sure you enter your property.